Morning students. Students, I am Abhishek Swani from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Shankar Vidyapeeth, Mount Abu, Rajasthan. Students, I am starting the new chapter that is packing. Actually, as per the CBSE, the board has reduced the syllabus. This chapter, as per my point of view, it's not very much important, but still we have to do the chapter as the syllabus should be completed. So this chapter packing, okay. Now why it is named as packing? Because actually packing is some kind of task that is related to it comes in everyone's life. It's a part of life for suppose for in case of any traveling. Okay, whenever and wherever we plan to travel either alone or with family or friends. So packing is the most important part. So that's why this chapter is named as packing. So what is there in this chapter? Is that there were three friends. Once there were three friends, and the three friends were like George, Harris, and Jerome. George, Harris, and Jerome. So these were the three friends. So out of these three, actually one day these three friends, while they were sitting freely in the room, so they have decided to go on a holiday. Okay. Out of these three friends, among these three, Jerome. Actually, Jerome is the author of this chapter also, and why he became the author means what he is explaining is that they are true incident that actually it's not a true story, but they are an experience he is sharing that what is the importance of packing. Okay, so Jerome was very proud of his packing. Jerome was very much he was very perfect in doing the task of packing the luggage, packing the bag. Okay, why he was proud of packing? Because he keeps in his mind that what small things to be carried should be carried along with the luggage, what things and how to settle the luggage means the how to settle the materials that we are keeping in the bag for packing. Okay, for to take them along with us in traveling. Okay, so he was very much proud of his packing, so he offered to do the same. Means he asked his two friends, George and Harris, that I will do the work of packing. It's my responsibility. So as he started, sorry. So see, as he started doing the packing, his two friends George and Harris, okay, they were sitting, taking full rest and taking full rest, and they cocked their legs on the table and sitting like full comfortable with full comfortability. They were sitting. So Jerome, the author, or we can say the person who is doing the packing, was feeling irritated because it happens when if in a family or in a room, if we two or three are living in sharing, and one do the work and remaining other two or remaining person don't do any work, then it makes the person feel irritated. Okay, that I am doing the work and they are not doing, so that irritated the author, that is Jerome, but still he did his work very comfortably. Okay, so as he started doing the packing, as he was started doing the packing, so in while packing the complete luggage, what to carry and what not, it was the main point. So what he did, he put his hands in pocket and he started supervising the room. If he Because it was his idea that if he will supervise the room, means if he will supervise, so he will keep his eyes on every single thing, that what to carry and what not. So in this way he tried his best to pack the bag for their traveling for a holiday. Okay, so just one example was given when Harris asked Jerome that have you kept my toothbrush. So as Harris asked this question, Jerome, the idea occurred to him that yes, I forgot to keep the toothbrush. So he went to the washroom and he found the toothbrush and he kept inside the bag. So in this way, he supervised the room, and like every single small things he put in the bag, and he actually he sat on the bag and he closed the zip. Okay, so that's how Jerome did his part of work. The next part of packing thing was to hamper. hamper. Now what is hamper? Hamper is actually a basket, okay. So who perform the task of packing the hamper, that we will discuss in the next class. For the time being, this is enough for this class, that half part we have done that about the packing. So there is not much important facts that are have been given in this chapter, but only few things, that how the author, the Jerome, did the packing. And packing of luggage, the uh, main particulars, that what we should carry about, okay. But the next part of packing is hamper, so that we will discuss in the next class. That's all for this class, boys.